Hey everyone, it is Chakra Tuesday today, and we are going to do something a little bit different. Instead of picking a card for the chakras, we will focus on one chakra per week for the next 7 weeks and kind of discuss them a little bit and have a little meditation, something quick and easy. So today's chakra is the root or base chakra, or the Muladhara, and that can be found at the base of the spine. And typically it is associated with the color red. So when we're meditating on it, we can envision this color, this beautiful red color. And kind of makes sense, because if we are grounding, which is what the root chakra is all about, it's about our physicalness in this world, then we can kind of ground ourselves into the earth, into the core, and into that giant heated ball of energy at the core of the earth. The base chakra, or the root chakra, has to do with security, stability, has to do with anything material, or physical awareness, and being able to ground ourselves into this physical body, into this physical world. So when we are out of balance with this chakra, then we could experience like low energy or not feeling grounded. We could experience being really focused on the material rather than having a balance of the material and the ethereal. We could be really focused on money or just other material items. And not to say that there's anything wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just when we are hyper focused on it, then that's when our root chakra can be disharmonious. Other things, other aspects of an out of balance chakra, or the root chakra, include selfishness, greed, being focused on the past, just not feeling completely stable in your environment. And a way to start to bring back the balance, this harmony within your chakras, is to, for this particular chakra, is to go out in nature, reconnect with nature, feel your feet grounded into the earth. Some other ways include just doing any type of physical activity, or even journaling or writing. That can kind of bring you back into awareness and balance. But a really good way to bring some harmony into the chakra is through sound. And so the sound of the base chakra is Lam. And you can chant that kind of like Om, but you're chanting Lam. So that's another way to bring that chakra back into balance, because sound is really important with healing, with just bringing our body back into that alignment. So let's do a quick meditation on this root chakra. So get into a comfortable position and close your eyes. And just take a couple of deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just releasing, letting go, and preparing for this moment. And breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just continue with an easy breath, relaxing your body and mind. And bring your awareness to the base of the spine, to the root chakra. And at the base of your spine, you see this beautiful red glowing ball of light. And just allow this light to spin and turn, becoming brighter and brighter and more luminescent. Just feel the energy of that chakra begin to open up, to expand, to grow. And just feel that chakra begin to expand throughout your body. And continue with this vision of this beautiful red chakra becoming more vibrant and more alive within your body. Allowing it to nourish you, nurture you, and set the intention that this chakra is becoming more aligned and more harmonious the more that you envision it expanding throughout your body. The chakra is grounding you into the earth and providing you with the safety and security and stability that you want and need. Trust and allow the energy of this chakra to become whole, to become harmonious. And now you can sit here for as long as you like, focusing on this chakra, focusing on how it is nourishing you and nurturing you, bringing stability into your life, trust into your life. Now every day this week, until the next Chakra Tuesday, focus on your root chakra, allowing it to expand and nourish you and bring stability and security. Thank you for being here. Namaste.